Hi. Together. Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
In creating tenant. Sorry.
It's so important because it brings. Sorry, I just spoiled it. 3, 2. Like just
Different takes, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
So a lot of my role is about gathering feedback from the script. Sorry.
No.
It'll be one extreme to the other.
No. You do that.
We also do a lot of
Bills as much as we can, sorry, for performing.
so I'm sorry.
So we've done everything.
Yep, it's rolling. It's already rolling. We're here in Barry to see.
You're not in it, yeah. I want to redo that.
Hello.
Hello? Can you hear us both? It's too long.
Whilst we've been so as part of our courtyard regenerate my voice broke.
Like
Yeah, WDQR, yeah.
The financial pressure under bigger.
Okay, can you see?
Shift. So that one is broken.
What does community living mean?
Enablement. Shannon.
I want to just soup and justice.
yeah.
Sorry, start again.
Yeah, 3, 2, go. You're at the heart. Come on, man.
It's all a bit meh, to be honest. Yeah, disappointing.
You are.
We're not going to correct
I'm
it.
learning.
Hang on, I don't remember what you just said then. Okay.
At the centre today, it's really. We hope these properties will provide local residents. Sorry.
I don't know how that's. I don't know where I'm going with this. Sorry.
We all love cycling.
No, I'm stopping and starting. I shouldn't.
Right.
It's extremely technical.
I'm staying with it. I know.
Pressures on the remaining.
Off to rural Muhammad Share today. Sorry.
Sorry.